Today we released our first quarter results for 2024. We had a quarter with a strong improvement of our EBITDA, which is really the highlight of the quarter. We had a 57 million Swedish krona improvement compared to the same quarter last year. This would be our fourth quarter in a row with a positive EBITDA if we ignore the fee we paid to FDA in the third quarter last year. This also gives us a lot of confidence that we will reach a full year positive EBITDA for 2024. And this takes me to one of the other highlights for the quarter was the refinancing of our corporate bond. To have a positive EBITDA result is of course a condition for a successful refinance of the corporate bond, which we did with an oversubscribed bond with nearly 100%. So the EBITDA improvement is very much due to OPEX. In the quarter, we were a little disappointed with the development of, in particular, Zubsolv. But the development of Zubsolv is purely explained by a destocking in February by some of the main wholesalers in the industry in the US. We've seen the same pattern for other competitors in the US in the disease space. And if we look at the sales to pharmacies, so what wholesaler sells to pharmacy, we are actually growing our sales to pharmacy compared to last year. And we know over time this will normalize. And that also gives us some confidence to say we expect our sales development to be more positive in the next quarters. For the quarter, we had a few good developments in R&D. We signed a partnership with Sobi in the beginning of the year. That's very important for us to test AmorphOX on a large molecule. We worked with Sobi last year also to make some first feasibility testing, and that gave them confidence to take this into a more formalized partnership. We also have OX640, where we've had a feedback from FDA on our briefing book, which gave us a clear pathway towards an approval of OX640. And also a very important feedback for the potential partners that we're discussing with right now. Then on OX124, we still believe it's possible for OX124 to launch in the late 2024, early next year. But we do have a little setback because FDA have asked us some questions which make us believe that we need to complement our applications with more data to collect that data and make some changes to, in particular, the instructions for use and on the device is something that will take a little time for us to do, and we think that would lead to some delay in the FDA. We have not received any official feedback, but based on the discussions we have with FDA, we think there's a high likelihood that we need more time in 2024 to finalize the approval process. With that, I would say we have a decent start of the year, good improvement in profitability. We have some good advancement in our R&D portfolio. We do have a slight step back on OX124, but nothing that right now makes us believe that we won't meet our target of a launch late this year or early 2025. Thank you.